Good morning, students. We have completed exercise 11.1 up to short answer questions, and today I am going to start the summative assessment. And in summative assessment, first question is the radius of a wheel is 25%, 0.25 meter. Find the number of revolution it will make to travel a distance of 11 kilometer. Beta, whenever we are talking about the revolution of wheel, then must keep in mind that the circumference of wheel is equal to the distance travelled by wheel in one revolution. Circumference of wheel is equal to distance travelled, distance covered by wheel in one revolution. This is the keyword. I mean, only the questions based on number of revolutions is based on these things. Ki circumference is equal to distance covered in one revolution. So beta, in this question, the radius of wheel is given, that is 0.25 meter. Radius of wheel is equal to 0.25 meter. So circumference is what? That is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25. That is 25 by 100. So what is it will be? 25 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 11 ja 22. That is 11 by 7 meter. 11 by 7 meter is the distance travelled by wheel in one revolution. So therefore, how many revolutions are there in 11 kilometer? So therefore, number of revolution to travel a distance of 11 kilometer, divide 11 kilometer by 11 by 7 meter. 11 kilometer means 11,000 meter. So ultimately what is it? 11,000 into 7 by 11. 11 ones are 11, 3 zeros as it is. This is 7,000 meter. So this is the answer of this question. Question number 3. It is the same kind of question, same thing. You can solve it by your own. Question number 4 I want to discuss to you. It is what? In this question it is given that if a wire is bent into the shape of a square, then the area of the square is 81 square centimeter. When the wire is bent into a semicircular shape, then what is the area of the semicircle? Means first wire is given, then and area of square is given. So find the side of square and then find the perimeter of square. That perimeter is equal to the perimeter of semicircle. In this way, you can find the radius of the semicircle and then find the area of semicircle. This is the way. Let us discuss on the board. Beta, area of square is given. Question number 4. (81 centimeter square). So side of square is what? Side आ जाएगा under root 81, that is 9 centimeter. And now length of wire. Length of wire is equal to perimeter of square, that is 4 into 9, 4 into side 36 centimeter. And now this length of wire is equal to the circumference of semicircle. So this implies, because the same wire rebent into the form of semicircle, circumference of semicircle is equal to 36. And what is the circumference of semicircle? It is what? Pi r. Semicircular shape is this kind, this is pi r, and this one is diameter. So it is pi r plus 2r is equal to 36. This implies, taking r as common, pi plus 2 is equal to 36. Put the value of pi, we will get r is what? R will be, when you put pi is equal to 22 by 7, then take the LCM, then r will be 7 centimeter. This implies that r will be. Now area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is what? Half pi r square. Yeah, pi r square is the area of complete circle. That is, half means half circle. This is what? 7 से 7 cancel, 2 11s are 22. This will give you 77 centimeter square. So in this way you can complete this exercise. Better, now I am going to tell you about 11.2, the area of trapezium. Trapezium is a shape, is a quadrilateral in which two lines are parallel, just like this one. Suppose that AB is parallel to CD. So, and these two non-parallels, length of this line let A and that length of this line is B, that this is the height of the trapezium. Then area of trapezium is what? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. This is the area of trapezium. For example, just like in next question, one question is given in the book, that is summative assessment first question. Keep the length of parallel sides of a trapezium is 10 centimeter and 11 centimeter. This one is given 10 and this side is given 11 centimeter. And area is also given 480. Area of trapezium is given 480 centimeter square. Then find the height of the trapezium, 10 plus 11 into h. This one is solved for 10 plus 11 is 21 is equal to h. In this way you can find the value of h by calculating this 480 into 2 by 21. After calculation, this will give you h is equal to, यह आ जाएगा आपका 45.71 मीटर सेंटीमीटर, जो भी है, whatever be the length of the side. In the same way, beta, first question of 11.2, this one you have to fill some blanks, that is area of trapezium is equal to, it is same thing, you have to write this one, area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Then B part is area of a general quadrilateral. Area of a general quadrilateral means, suppose that this is any quadrilateral is given, then how can you find the area? So for this, join one diagonal AC, suppose that it is ABCD, then join AC and draw perpendicular from the vertex D and B. Height these are H1 and H2. Then what is the area of general quadrilateral? Half into diagonal AC, half into AC into H1 H2. So you can write this wording. Instead of AC you should write diagonal, half into diagonal into H1 into H2. This is the way. Now area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is what? Half into D1 D2. You know about it. Product of diagonals into 1 by 2. Question number 2 and 3 also based on this diagram. Ki one diagonal length is given 32, then heights are also given from the opposite vertices 14 and 10. In the book figure is given, so you can find the area of the complete quadrilateral, area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. Half into base is 32, one height is 10, another height is 14. So half into 10 into half into length of diagonal, that is 32 into 14 plus 10. This way you can write the area of question number 2. H1 is 14, H2 is 10. So put the value in this formula, half into diagonal into sum of heights. You can solve question number 2 and 3 like this. Question number 4 देखिए बेटे. बेटे in question number 4, one diagram is given. This is the diagram. One rectangle is given in the center like this, and then trapeziums are there. One is there and one trapezium is there, and same on this side. ऐसा इस साइड है बेटे, this one and this one. So this one is given. This is 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter this side, and this is 24, and this side is 34. So find the area of each part. Let this one is part 2, part 1, part 3, part 4, and it is part 5. Now look at the figure. This is a trapezium. Whatever I have marked, this is a trapezium, and lengths are given 34 and 20. Only height is required. How much this height is there? Because it is 24 and this one is 10. So 24 minus 10 is 14. It means 7 is this side and 7 is this side. So area of this trapezium is what? Area of part 1, half into sum of parallel sides into height. Same area is in third part, and area of fourth part is what? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. This is also 7 because this one is 34 and this one is 20. So difference is also there 14. So 7 is this side and 7 is this side. It means half into sum of parallel sides into 7 and half into sum of parallel sides into 7. Then area of all the part. Area of part 1 and part 3 is same. Area of part 2 and 4 is same. Area of part 5 is also length into breadth. So in this way you can solve this. So beta you can calculate the area of all the parts. Area of part 1 and 3, half into sum of parallel sides into height. Height is 7. And second and fourth, sum of parallel side is 10 and 24 and height is again 7. So it will give you 119 centimeter square. And area of this middle part, if you want to calculate, then it is a rectangle 20 into 10, 200 centimeter square. So beta it is enough for today. Above it, I mean next to it, I want to discuss in next lecture. Till then, bye, take care, have a nice day.